For someone like me, who always trains in the swimming pool, stepping into nature uplifts my spirit, filling me with positivity and a sense of freedom. Much like forests, oceans are crucial in combating climate change, referred to as the planet's lungs. These interconnected ecosystems are dynamic and essential. It's a great honor to join SEIKO Save the Ocean initiative on Redang Island.
In June 2024, the Department of Fisheries has confirmed that most of the marine park in Malaysia exceeded 50% of bleaching. So normally, the water temperature in Redang is around 27 to 28 degrees Celsius. But nowadays, the water temperature has risen to its peak around 32 degrees. Based on our recent bleaching survey in Redang, the bleaching are more than 80%, and that is really bad.
Most of the affected reefs are in the shallow waters less than 10 meters deep. Bleached corals are not dead. When warm water causes the coral to expel tiny algae that normally live inside their tissues. But if the water stays too warm for too long, corals will start to die. There is a possibility for recovery if temperatures drop and other stressors such as overfishing, coastal development, physical impact and pollution are reduced.
Corals, they live together with this microscopic algae called zooxanthellae,
which produce food and give the reef its color. Without the algae, the reef turns white, and if temperatures don't fall, the coral then will die. But we are trying our best to rehabilitate coral reefs together with the local community. We then schedule monitoring to ensure the best survival rate. We also remove coral predators like crown-of-thorns starfish or COT.
Each of us can make contribution in conserving these important ecosystems by protecting coral reefs from local impacts. Please practice responsible snorkeling and diving to minimize damage to coral reefs. Do not cause further stress to corals by touching, breaking or stepping on them. Let's act now together with SEIKO Malaysia to protect coral for future generations.